Bailey? Bailey!
긴박한 순간 소리 소문 없이 사라져버린 베일리. 도대체 어디로 향한 건지 예측조차 할 수 없었고.
Hey, have you seen a teenage girl, 16, blonde, pink streaks?
사건의 시작은 지금으로부터 나흘 전으로 거슬러 올라가죠.
Good day at work?
Better now that it... So I was thinking we should celebrate this weekend. It is our 14th anniversary. Drive up to Sonoma on Saturday and celebrate.
Do you think Bailey would want to come?
Absolutely.
Liar.
주인공 해나에게 있어 마치 선물과도 같은 터닝포인트가 되어버린 남편 오원과의 결혼. 하지만 인생이라는 게 모두 내 뜻대로 될 리 없었고.
Morning, Bailey.
Dad, I'm gonna be late.
How about we start with good morning?
I'll wait out front.
Keep this up. You're gonna be carrying the worms next time we go fishing. Maybe it's time to try a little harder. She's making a real effort.
새 엄마라는 존재를 인정하고 싶지 않았을까. 좀처럼 베일리와의 관계가 나아지질 않았는데요.
Looking for Owen Michaels?
Owen just left. Can I take him?
This is stunning. And it won't last the weekend now that you're so fancy.
Hey, it's Owen. Leave a message.
Going someplace, hot soup on a campfire. Welcome to
저녁 준비에 정신이 팔려 미처 줄스의 연락을 받을 수 없었던 그때.
Hello? Mr. Michaels asked me to give this to you. He gave me $20 to drop this off.
베일리를 지켜달라는 소름 돋는 메시지. 뒤늦게 줄스의 부재중 전화가 시야에 들어왔고.
Hey, you've reached Jules. Leave a message.
Hello, this is the shop.
Hey, Greg, it's Hannah. Is Owen there?
None of the senior staff are available at the moment.
불안함을 떨치지 못한 채 남편 회사로의 걸음을 재촉할 수밖에 없었는데요. 그런데
Sorry, ma'am. The building's closed.
My husband works inside. I'm trying to reach him.
What's his name?
왠지 이름을 밝히면 안 될 것 같은 느낌. 해나는 발걸음을 돌릴 수밖에 없었고.
Let's go, Mr. Thompson. Come on. There. Watch your head.
게다가 더 쇼베 대표 에이베 톰슨이 구속되는 믿을 수 없는 광경까지. 이제서야 베일리를 지켜달라는 메시지가 어떠한 의미인지 조금씩 감을 잡을 수 있었는데요.
Very nice, Bailey. Okay, can we clear these cubes?
분명 내가 온 걸 알았음에도 백스테이지로 향하기 시작하죠.
What are you doing here?
Down here? Give you a ride home?
I don't even know why she's here. I told her I had it handled.
그렇게 남친에게 한바탕 넋두리를 늘어놓는 것도 잠시 마냥 해나를 기다리게 할 순 없었고. 그런데 해나에게 전달된 것과 유사한 쪽지. 베일리도 예외는 아니었던 거죠.
Is that from your dad?
Where's my dad?
There's something happening at the shop. I haven't been able to reach him.
그런데 더 심각한 문제는 비단 메시지뿐이 아니었다는 사실. 그 출처를 알 수 없는 엄청난 현금 다발이 담겨져 있었고, 그리 어렵지 않게 더쇼비 사기 혐의로 조사를 받고 있다는 사실을 알 수 있었는데요.
Let's keep the money to ourselves for now.
Oh, you think?
이 막막한 순간 기적적으로 줄스가 등장하게 되죠.
Where can we talk? Back deck. I'm just gonna grab a sweater.
Max got a tip this morning from a friend of hers at the SEC. The shop's new software doesn't work.
IPO를 앞두고 있어 크게 한몫 챙기려는 수작이었을까. 프로그램은 불완전하고 분식회계로 매출을 조작했다는 믿기 어려운 이야기였고.
And there's the fraud. Honestly, when she told me this morning, you called Owen. So then, yeah, I called Owen. I never thought in a million years that he'd run.
오원으로부터 의심을 거둘 수 없었던 에피소드 하나를 어렵게 꺼내기 시작하는데요.
Sources can't hide it. When they know something, things they would ask if they were really in the dark. Why the feds were indicting Avid, how exposed the shop was, but that's not what he wanted to know.
What did he want to know?
How long he had to get out.
비록 함께한 시간이 많다고는 할 수 없었지만 그 누구보다 믿고 사랑했던 존재.
What defines this piece?
I think this part could turn out interesting. What defines you?
There's nothing I wouldn't do for my daughter.
남편은 세상과 가족들을 속인 희대의 사기꾼이었고 그럼에도 혹여나 베일리의 멘탈이 무너지지는 않을까 어떻게든 평정심을 유지해야만 했는데요.
And Hall, I'm a U.S. Marshal. When's the last time you heard from him? Right. Thing is, if your husband said something about where he was going, I need to know.
그래야만 남편을 지킬 수 있다는 궤변, 연락처 하나를 받을 수 있었죠.
Is there... What do you know that I don't?
Owen hasn't used his credit card in 24 hours, not his ATM. If he calls you, it'll be from a burner or some other phone that isn't readily traceable.
Why are you making him sound like some sort of criminal mastermind?
Owen Michaels is not who you think he is.
그리고 잠시 후
The shop CEO, David Thompson, has posted bail. The Heights Mansion, where Thompson will remain under house arrest.
Get yourself a lawyer. Hey, it's Carl. Leave a message.
이대로라면 모든 혐의를 남편이 뒤집었을지 모른다는 불안함, 보안관의 조언대로 변호사를 선임해야겠다는 결론에 다다르게 되고
I'll be right here after last period.
베일리의 반대를 무릅쓰고 등교를 밀어붙인 탓이었을까 이미 사기꾼의 딸이라는 낙인이 제대로 찍혀 있었는데요.
You made Bailey go to school?
What was the alternative?
Yo, I just spoke to my source at the U.S. Attorney's Office, Han.
그런데 더 심각한 건 이대로 오원의 행방이 드러나지 않는다면 조만간 해나도 소환당할 수 있다는 의미, 혹여나 일말의 단서라도 있지 않을까. 오원의 노트북을 꺼내어 보는 것도 잠시.
Anything interesting on there? Do you have any idea where your husband is?
No, actually. Do you?
제대로 살펴보기도 전 노트북을 압수당할 수밖에 없었는데요.
Look, I just went through all this with the U.S. Marshal, Grady Bradford.
Future Miss Hall, you may want to be careful who you talk to about this.
연방보안관의 정체를 의심하는 듯한 요원의 발언, 혹여나 가짜 배지에 속아 넘어간 건 아닐까. 해나의 불안함이 더더욱 커지기 시작하죠.
Carl.
It's bedtime.
I need your advice. Carl, I need...
You've got a lot of nerve showing up here. Owen told Carl that the IPO is a sure thing.
You invested in the shop.
I mean, who does that to friends?
이제서야 왜 내 연락을 피해왔는지 칼의 속내를 알아버린 해나. 당장 나를 지켜줄 변호사의 부재라는 현실적인 어려움과 마주할 수밖에 없었는데요.
You haven't talked much about Jacob.
Jake, he's just Jake, master of the universe type. You'd hate him.
I was gearing up to ask you about your could-have-been boy.
You want to talk about my old boyfriend?
Oh, letting me be the one who gets to sit here with you now.
Hannah?
Hey, Jake.
What's wrong?
I need a lawyer, Jake. My husband's in trouble.
차마 연락하고 싶지 않았던 전 남친 제이크에게 SOS를 치게 되고 같은 시간 베일리는 바비로 인해 겨우 멘탈을 다잡을 수 있었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
Heard about Duke. Congrats, man.
Thanks, Coach.
You got into Duke?
Came through with a full ride.
Wait, you didn't, accept?
스탠퍼드에 입학할 거라는 기대와는 달리 무려 4,800km나 떨어져 있는 듀크대의 합격 소식 베일리에게 있어 이별 통보와 다를 바 없었죠.
People don't run for no reason, Hannah. I know this great private investigator.
제이크의 의견을 수렴, 사립탐정을 통해 오원의 행방을 쫓기로 하는데요. 그런데
Hannah? Dad?
What are you doing here? Weren't you at school?
Someone broke into the house. Who are you calling?
곧바로 경찰에 신고해보았지만 그 어떠한 침입의 흔적을 찾을 수 없었고 이 소식을 접하고 한 걸음에 달려온 줄스와 맥스에게 유며칠 경험한 믿기 어려운 이야기들을 털어놓을 수밖에 없었는데요.
The FBI had no idea what Grady Bradford was doing here. Official card, he wrote it out on a napkin.
Did the shop do a lot of business in Austin? Pretty sure 512 is in Austin.
You should come with me to Austin.
Austin, do you have to go?
평소답지 않게 유난히 질색하던 오원의 낯선 모습이 되살아나기 시작했고
Did he ever say anything to you about spending time in Austin?
Yeah, it was actually
칼 역시 오스틴이라는 단어에 민감한 반응을 보였다는 기억과 스포츠 도박으로 돈을 탕진한 게 아내에 들킬까 더숍에 투자했었다는 거짓말을 하게 되었다는 뒤늦은 고백을 들을 수 있었는데요.
Is there an Agent Bradford working there?
오스틴은 분명 오원의 비밀을 품고 있다는 강렬한 느낌을 받게 되죠.
Can I sit?
Sure.
I've been thinking about the note your dad left you. And I think maybe I was wrong.
Like what?
And you spend any time in Austin?
I think we went to a football game. Once it might have been Austin.
그런데 여기서 이해되지 않는 건 남편이 미식축구를 보는 모습을 단 한 번도 보지 못했다는 사실이었는데요.
You're not going to school tomorrow. I have a new plan.
단순히 우연이라 치부할 수 없는 오스틴과의 접점, 해나와 베일리는 오스틴행을 결심하게 되죠.
We'll have you in Austin in no time at all.
Jesus.
I was thinking we should start at the stadium. Seems that if we go to the stadium, it might...
Get this from one of your hippie woodworking
Hey,
clients.
y'all, seatbelts fastened?
Yeah, they're fastened.
Get it. I have a teenager myself.
Not hers.
베일리가 기억하는 공간을 다시 찾는다면 일말의 단서라도 찾을 수 있지 않을까라는 나름 과학적인 접근. 그렇지만 어느새 해나는 무당이 되어버렸고.
Welcome to Austin. What can I help you with?
Just checking in for Max Harness.
Did you bring wigs and a fake mustache too?
베일리의 비아냥과 의문의 조직으로부터 감시를 받는 것 같은 불안함도 잠시 이내 곧 문제의 경기장을 찾을 수 있었는데요.
Not feeling anything.
Maybe we should try somewhere else.
Thousands of seats here.
I'm not saying we should try all of them.
Good.
그럼에도 아무런 기억도 떠오르지 않아 돌아가려던 그때
I think I was.
You were here
Yeah.
at a football game?
Yeah, it's weird, right?
그런데 한 가지 이해되지 않는 건 아빠가 양복을 입고 있었다는 사실. 마치 파티나 결혼식을 마치고 이곳을 찾은 게 아닐까라는 추리로 이어지게 되고
If you walked here, the church could be close.
Hey, making any progress?
I thought if I can find the church, I might be able to figure out whose wedding it was. Get me a list of all the churches near DKR. Maybe all the churches in a 2-mile radius of the weekend home games during the 2011 season.
Just 2011?
I think so.
곧이어 맥스로부터 돌아가는 분위기가 심상치 않다는 그다지 좋지 못한 소식을 접할 수 있었는데요. 그런데
Bailey? Bailey!
해나의 속이 타들어가는 걸 아는지 모르는지 이 긴박한 순간 리허설 구경에 여념이 없었죠.
Jesus.
Really, it doesn't matter. You cannot disappear like that.
I was supposed to block my solo today. Kept saying he was really looking forward to it, and guess that's a stupid thing to care about now.
And we'll get back to that, Bailey. All of it.
What if he doesn't come back?
He's coming back. You're here. That's Jules. She's working on the list of churches.
이 근방에만 무려 12개의 교회가 존재한다는 소식. 절대 쉽지 않은 싸움이 될 거라는 확신도 잠시 또다시 휴대폰이 울리기 시작.
Hello?
다름 아닌 보석으로 풀려난 더숍의 대표이자 남편의 절친 에이벳 톰슨이었고
I've been trying to reach your husband. I was hoping you could help me out with that. It's gonna shake out. We're innocent. You know that, Hannah. My point is that this whole thing is clearly a setup.
회계상의 오류일 뿐 의도적으로 조작을 하지 않았다는 의미였는데요.
Not with his history.
What history?
You really don't know? Tell Owen he needs to call me.
마치 오원이 동종에 전과가 있다는 듯한 뉘앙스, 의혹이 해소되기는커녕 더욱더 미궁 속으로 빠져드는 것만 같은 느낌을 떨칠 수 없었고 같은 시간 해나가 오스틴으로 이동했다는 사실을 모르는 그레이디가 잠복만 수십 시간 이어가는 사이 마침내 베일리의 기억을 되살려주는 문제의 교회에 닿을 수 있었죠.
I think it was here.
You want to know what now?
We just need a list of the...
이 교회에서 열린 결혼식에 대한 정보, 하지만 개인정보가 포함되어 있고 베일리의 짜증 섞인 태도까지 절대 불가능하다는 답변만이 돌아왔고
If you were standing here, because I know I would try to help you out.
The names can't leave this room.
Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank your stepmother.
You can't.
can't ask for my help and then just disappear. Hannah, I gotta be honest, it's not looking real good for Owen. The FBI is asking for an interview.
I need you to buy me one more day, Jake.
시간을 더 벌어줘야만 한다. 이대로 가다가는 베일리의 양육권마저 빼앗길 수 있다. 감론을 박이 한창이던 그때
I gotta go.
One second. Another book or something. I was definitely.
According to my records, we were closed for construction. No services, no ceremonies.
Are there any other churches that look like this nearby?
Why don't you leave me your number and I'll call you if I remember it?
Please call.
I will.
What you doing there, pal?
Who the f*** are you? Eric Cousins, head of security for the shop. He's just concerned about Owen's well-being.
신변이 걱정된다며 수일째 감시를 하고 야심한 밤 무단 침입까지 얼척없는 주장에 그를 돌려보내야만 했고 이미 열려버린 해나의 집, 보원관은 집 안으로 들어서는 선택을 하게 되는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
Hey,
How'd the churches pan out?
we're gonna head home tomorrow. What? Bailey is so out of sorts here.
I'm pretty sure Bailey would be out of sorts wherever she was.
So easy on yourself, would you?
Are you still at work?
I just left. Why?
There's a piggy bank in Bailey's room I want you to look at. There was this weird file on Owen's laptop that was passed.
그 파일에 걸린 나무의 힌트가 저금통 아래 적힌 레이디 폴이라는 단어와 일치했기 때문이었는데
Hello? The fuck is this? Whoever's in here! I just called 911! What the hell are you doing here?
기니 전할 이야기가 있다며 무작정 들이닥친 제이크였던 거죠.
Jake's here. I'm gonna put him on.
What are you doing in my house?
I needed to tell you this in person.
Tell me what.
I heard back from my investigator. Owen and Bailey's histories are inconsistent.
프린스턴 대학을 나온 우원이라는 남자는 78세의 노인뿐이고 베일리에 대한 기록도 전무한 상황.
Owen and Bailey Michaels don't exist.
Why would he make up a fake life?
The only thing I know for certain.
He lied to me.
He lied to me too.
이로써 우원의 정체를 밝혀내기란 더 어려워진 상황. 샌프란시스코로의 복귀를 예정대로 진행하기로 하는데요.
We should try and get some sleep. Excuse me?
그런데
We're not gonna find him there. You were right. Something's here.
So you want to stay?
Yeah. I want to stay.
그리고 다음 날
Deputy Bradford's office?
Vacation.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I take a message?
No. But you can put me in touch with someone who can tell me what Deputy Bradford was doing waving his badge in my face on his vacation.
곧바로 브래드퍼드의 휴대폰이 울려대기 시작하죠.
This is Grady.
How's spring break?
Hannah, I was there to help.
Why are there no records of Owen before he and Bailey moved to Sausalito?
Software for erasing online paper trails may have used it on himself.
If that software worked, Avett wouldn't be on trial for fraud. Why did Owen change his name?
Just trying to keep Owen safe, Owen and Bailey, and you.
What's that supposed to mean?
Where are you?
I'm home.
아직 그를 신뢰할 수 없다는 판단이었을까 자신의 거처를 숨기는 선택을 하게 되지만 브래드퍼드가 모를 리 없었고
What was the name of that restaurant where your dad worked as a valet? You think he made that up?
아무리 자신의 정체를 숨겼다고 한들 추억까지 모두 지어내는 건 불가능하다는 논리. 베일리와 함께 단서가 될 만한 건 모두 끄집어내야만 했는데요.
Oh, wait, what about that math professor at Princeton? Dad failed his exam and the guy framed it.
Of that professor, what was his name?
Hawker, Cooker...
Cookman. He called him Cook.
What exactly?
Hi. We're hoping to talk with Professor Cookman.
Cook's teaching right now.
그러니 수업이 끝나는 대로 만날 수 있을 거라는 조언을 베일리는 무시. 교수님의 심기를 제대로 건드려버렸고
Do you make a habit of interrupting lectures, or should I consider myself special?
We're hoping you can help us identify a former student.
그래서였을까 기다리던 대답을 들을 수는 없었는데요.
I can't say I recognize him. I've had thousands.
그런데
He was the worst student you ever had. You actually framed it. But my husband, instead of hating you, and then he aced the final.
May I see that photograph again?
Yeah.
I can't tell you his name, but you said he's missing? Come on, let's see if we can get you some answers.
Hannah Hall. She's driving with her stepdaughter, Bailey Michaels. All signs point to them skipping town. Credit cards, ATM withdrawals, or boot prints. Michelle.
Boss wants to see you. Who's Hannah Hall? And what the hell were you doing in Sausalito? You know, lying to me is a felony. Not our problem.
You're kidding me.
You're not responsible for the man's choices.
관할구역이 아니라며 모르쉐르 시전, 그리고 상대가 상대이니만큼 당장 이 사건에서 손을 떼라는 명령을 받게 되고.
So it's true. You really framed it?
You have to understand, I was young. I thought it would assert my authority.
I found all your final exams from the 90s.
문제는 블라인드 채점이었다는 사실. 쉽게 말해 필체만으로 원을 찾아야만 하는 사실상 불가능한 미션이었고.
Cheryl, which library keeps the yearbooks?
필체가 아닌 사진으로 남편의 실체에 다가가기로 계획을 수정하기로 하는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
We're dropping the Hannah Hall thing?
Did you find something?
She and the girl flew out of SFO yesterday morning.
Kidding me?
The yearbooks were digitized for the archives. A line of computers just through the stacks.
잠시 후면 아빠의 진짜 모습과 마주할 수 있을 거라는 기대 반 두려움 반 그렇게 사진 한 장 한 장을 넘겨나가던 그때
Hello?
Scrimmages. And she pointed out that it could have been a preseason.
The scrimmages are held at the stadium?
Just like regular games, that's right. And they packed the stands pretty good. The same day as the final scrimmage, Reyes and Smith waiting the ceremony. Her name was Andrea. It was Andrea Reyes and Charles Smith.
그런데 문제는 두 사람의 이름 모두 졸업 명단에는 존재하지 않았고
Wait.
대신 캐서린 스미스라는 이름 6글자를 찾을 수 있었는데요.
Do you know her?
판박이처럼 빼다 박은 베일이 그 자체였던 것. 다행히 사진 속의 술집이 아직 존재한다는 걸 확인한 두 사람. 더 이상 지체할 이유가 없었죠.
Come on, we need to go there.
Find out if she rented a car, checked into a hotel.
Send the file on Owen Michaels over to the courthouse?
Yeah, are in imminent danger. So we got to get to them by the end of the...
What happened to knocking?
Bailey Michaels is in Austin. I want to trace her phone.
With a
and I
warrant. I got a contact. See if she can run some interference.
Thank you.
There are hundreds of Catherine Smiths. Anything on the bar?
Some Yelp reviews, blog post on.
Anyone even use that anymore?
Well, I'm telling you, some of us do.
때로는 구닥다리 방식이 더 쉬운 길이라는 걸 깨닫는 사이 어느새 문제의 바에 닿을 수 있었고.
Does it look familiar?
Maybe I'll remember more inside.
Wait, we don't know whose bar this is. We don't know who these people are.
오원이 그토록 꽁꽁 숨겨온 데에는 그럴 만한 이유가 있을 거라는 이유. 서로가 흩어져 각자 정보를 수집하는 게 좋다는 결론이었는데요.
Hello?
Hey there. We usually don't start serving till 5.
I didn't mean to let myself in.
Why don't you take a look at the cocktail menu? I'm Charlie, by the way.
Max.
You okay over there?
작은 단서 하나라도 얻기 위해선 그의 경계심을 푸는 게 급선무. 프린스턴의 강사직 인터뷰를 앞둔 가짜 신분으로 빙의해버렸고.
You come to the right place. First drinks on the house.
Hey,
This photo you sent is insane. You found it in the library?
in an old yearbook.
Maybe she's like your aunt or cousin? Just don't think your dad would lie to you about who your mom was.
Yeah, well, 3 days ago, I didn't think he'd lie to me about anything.
The house specialty.
So this is your family's bar?
그의 경계심을 풀었다 생각했는지 본격적인 질문 공세를 퍼붓기 시작.
My father's a lawyer. This was never his thing. To be honest, it was never mine either. Twins. That was the end of my masters.
아버지는 변호사라는 번듯한 직업을 가지고 있었고 쌍둥이 캐서린은 이른 나이 운명을 달리해 어쩔 수 없이 이 술집을 이어받았다는 이야기를 들을 수 있었는데요.
Thank you.
마치 FBI 수사를 예견이라도 한 것 같은 내부 고발성 기록들이 담긴 원의 휴대폰이었고 같은 시간 베일리는 바비로부터 안드레아 레이스의 주소를 받아보게 되죠.
Thanks for the drink. Anyway, I should get going.
Yeah, come back. We'll celebrate.
I do have one more bizarre question before I go. Figure you know a lot of locals.
친구가 첫눈에 반한 남자를 찾고 있다며 원의 사진을 꺼내 보이는데
I think this is funny. This is my family you're f***ing with. Tell me who sent you!
Hey, get off of her!
Kristen?
No. No, I'm... What happened? Who was that?
That's it. Go!
인파 속으로 자리를 옮기며 겨우 한숨을 돌릴 수 있었는데요.
Man, it's a shit show. Is he even following us anymore?
그런데
You okay? I remember her. Dad and Andrea and Charlie. My dad called me Christy.
마침내 조금씩 드러나기 시작한 진실의 조각들. 그런데 문제는 누군가로부터 감시를 받는다는 느낌이 점차 강해지고 있다는 사실이었고.
I'm upset too, Lily. We need to go. And then we will talk this all through. I promise you that. We're taking the stairs. Hold on.
Owen sent me his phone. He wasn't part of the primary coding team, but he was trying to fix a problem.
지금까지의 의혹은 모두 누명이었다는 결정적 증거였는데요.
We got Hannah Hall CSLI records. Looks like she just walked into the.
Rep poster, meet us in the garage.
Let's pack up.
Where are we going?
Home.
You said we'd talk it through. He lied to me. He lied to me about everything. Fucking disappeared, and I want to know the truth, don't you?
I said we'd talk it through once we got somewhere safe.
이곳에서 나의 정체성에 대해 알아내고 싶은 베일리와 오원의 당부 그대로 그녀를 지켜야만 하는 해나의 입장. 안전이 달린 문제인 만큼 양보할 수 있는 상황이 아니었고.
How's it feel?
Pretty great.
If you don't like the ring, just
I love the ring. How did Bailey take it?
about how you'd expect.
That bad. Growing up without a mom, it's hard to let in someone new. You're a little vague when you talk to her about Olivia.
There are some things I'm just afraid to tell her about her mom.
Like what?
Like, you could never tell either of them what to do.
Owen's real name is Ethan Young.
He opened the safe and inside was a handwritten will for an Owen.
그런데 더 충격적인 건
Hannah, you need to get out of there now. He's a mob lawyer, Hannah. For the Campano family.
오원 장인의 실체는 다름 아닌 거대 마피아 조직의 변호사라는 사실. 아내의 갑작스런 죽음을 조직의 짓이라고 의심한 오원은 법정에서 캄파노 조직을 향한 불리한 증언을 시전. 그날 이후 조직의 타깃이 되어버렸던 거죠.
There's a car waiting for you. All you need to do is pack up and go.
And get rid of your phones. You can get new ones on the road.
Bailey, we gotta go. Bailey. Bailey. Teenage girl, 16, blonde, pink streaks.
With the Marshal Service.
Bailey.
Hey, I swear to God, I just saw Kristen.
소리 소문 없이 사라져버린 베일리와 눈에 불을 켜고 그녀를 찾는 수많은 사람들. 이 이야기의 시작은 1999년으로 거슬러 올라가죠.
It's gotta be a flat. Can I borrow your cell?
Already texting my dad.
I smell like curly fries.
I like curly fries.
Do you have any idea how dangerous Nicholas Bell is? Consigliere to the Campano organization. These are nameless, faceless, brutal men, in addition to Nicholas Bell. That's why he had to disappear. How much you know about WITSEC?
거대 범죄 조직을 향해 불리한 증언을 주저하지 않았던 대가는 자신과 딸의 이름을 바꾸고 고향을 떠나 수천 킬로미터가 떨어진 곳에서의 삶을 이어가야만 하는 창살없는 감옥과 다름이 없었고.
Oh my God. You should come inside.
On my way.
같은 시간 베일리가 찾은 곳은 바비로부터 전달받은 주소, 안드레아의 집이었죠.
What do you remember?
I don't understand any of this.
Something happened a long time ago. Grandfather and your father.
Could you please explain what's going on?
A lot of people talk about saving the world. Don't tell me you're one of those rubes who think the prosecutors are the good guy. Public defenders' offices are underfunded, and it makes for a shitty defense for people who need it the most. You know that 60% of my clients are pro bono?
마치 자신을 자선사업가처럼 포장하는 니콜라스. 실상은 검은 조직을 대변하는 대가로 막대한 부를 쌓아왔었고
When Nicholas asked Owen for help, Owen obliged. Owen set up that encryption system for him.
장인어른이 검은 조직과 결탁되었다는 걸 눈치챘을 때에는 이미 케이트와 결혼을 한 상황, 교도소에 수감된 조직원들이 외부와 소통하는 암호 시스템을 만들어주는 등 그들의 편에 서는 듯 했지만 역시나 영원한 아군은 없는 걸까. 니콜라스가 단 한 번 거절한 큰 사건의 여파, 오원의 아내는 교통사고로 위장한 어이없는 죽음을 맞게 되죠.
Your dad, he got angry with your granddad. He decided to make things right. He decided your grandfather's clients should pay.
Owen had access to everything. So he took all the messages and turned them over to the feds.
그로 인해 니콜라스는 감옥에서 6년 동안 썩게 되는 그가 눈에 불을 켜고 오원을 찾는 데에는 그만한 이유가 있었던 거죠.
I know it sounds scary. We need to talk about Witsec. Because Nicholas Bell is a dangerous man.
How does this work?
증인보호 프로그램의 목적은 안전의 보장이 1순위, 학교와 직업은 물론이고 그 인물을 특정할 수 있는 취미까지 모두 버려야 하는, 쉽게 말해 베일리가 애착을 갖고 있는 무대에도 설 수 없다는 의미였고
You are asking a 16-year-old to give up everything she loves. It's the last thing Owen would want, because he wanted Bailey to be able to stay put.
Maybe you're right. But you f***ed that all up when you came to Austin. This is your only option.
게다가 더 쇼베 사태로 자신의 신분이 드러날 것을 예상이라도 했다는 듯 미리 마련한 거액의 연찰까지 오원의 배려를 받아들여야 한다는 주장을 이어가고 있었는데요.
It's your friend.
베일리의 행방을 분명 바비가 알고 있을 거라는 해나의 추리. 아니나 다를까 바비는 베일리가 갈 만한 곳을 알고 있었고
There was an address.
Andrea.
I'm going. Stay here. Andrea Reyes, 4872 West 41st Street.
홀로 남겨진 해나는 증인보호 프로그램에 서명하는 것 대신 수화기를 들게 되죠.
Jules Nichols. Do you still have the will on you, Owen's will?
Who's listed as Bailey's guardian?
All right, I've got it, okay.
Well, Hannah, it's you. His inability to fulfill parental responsibilities.
Mr. Allgrady's on the phone. He said it was urgent.
할아버지를 포함한 적지 않은 가족들이 있었음에도 피 한 방울 섞이지 않은 나를 지정한 오원의 선택. 베일리의 무사함을 확인한 해나는 무사히 돌아오라는 짧은 당부를 건네게 되고
I need you to call our friend in the marshal's office.
Miss Hall, can I help you?
Going to the restroom.
화장실을 핑계로 청사를 빠져나오는 선택을 하게 되는데요.
You need to take me to him.
베일리의 할아버지 니콜라스와의 만남을 청하게 되죠.
Your father already knows we're in Austin, doesn't he? There's no future for Kristen if I don't talk to him.
Ethan betrayed him.
But you need to let me try to do this, please.
Where's Hannah?
She's in the conference room. Ed,
What's up?
where's Hannah Hall?
Lady.
Hannah?
Your name's not Max, is it?
Max works for now.
I can still turn around.
Hannah, are you in there? It's me. Door's locked. She's not answering.
Shout to Austin PD. I need a bolo on Hannah Hall for all local law. Billy, do you know where she is?
I need you to trust me.
Billy, if you have any idea where she is, I need to know.
아무 이유 없이 믿어달라는 한마디에 베일리는 입을 닫아버렸고 철저한 보안 검문을 마친 끝에 니콜라스와 마주할 수 있었는데요.
Why don't you head out, kiddo? I'd like to spend some time alone with our new friend. Pop, you've had a long day. Of course, if she wants to leave, I'm not going to stop Hannah here.
On Nicholas Bell, I need CSLI data on Charlie Smith.
Dry thinks he might have seen Hannah.
We're rolling back through surveillance footage right now.
Hannah?
Bailey.
Daddy.
What the are you doing here, Hannah?
I was hoping we could reach an agreement.
I'm not here to litigate the past.
No? No concept of what he did.
I think I have some concept. I know how you lost your daughter.
I had nothing to do with that. They have a code. No, he just wanted to blame someone, so he blamed me. Now forget about me. What kind of a man? He ripped that little girl away from her grandmother. Everyone who loved her.
대화가 깊어질수록 느껴지는 건 오원을 향한 원망보다는 손녀를 향한 그리움이었고
I think you know how much loves your granddaughter. I think you know he did it all for her.
It seems to me you two have that in common.
Do not compare me to him.
Grady Bradford.
She's here.
It's SWAT at the Bell residence in Lake Travis now. Let's go, let's go.
You'll make it worse. Wrapping it tight like, is that really what you want? For her to have to run again? I'm asking you to keep your granddaughter safe, to put her in the position where she can know her family.
But if you're asking me to protect Ethan, that's not possible.
그리고 그럴 마음도 없다는 답변. 해나는 어려운 결정을 내려야 한다는 결론에 다다르게 되죠.
What if Ethan wasn't part of it? What if Ethan wasn't part of it? Just your granddaughter, Kristen.
Just Kristen?
Yes.
You understand what you're saying. Your husband would not be able to come home.
It's what Ethan wants. To keep her safe. To let Bailey stay Bailey.
복수의 칼날을 오원에게만 겨누라는 의미. 그 대신 베일리에게 안전과 가족들을 되돌려 달라는 요청이었고.
Grady Bradford is at the front gate with half a dozen U.S. Marshals.
You think she would be open to meeting me?
Yes. I'll make sure the well isn't poisoned.
Pop, she's gotta go.
If there is a part of you, Ethan could slip back into your lives. These men, they do not forget. She'll be safe. You both will.
그렇게 해나 스스로도 장담할 수 없었던 약속을 받아내고선 돌아가는 길 모든 이야기를 전해들은 브래드퍼드 흥분을 감출 수 없었죠.
You still don't get it, do you? Will go after you, and they will go after Bailey. Means necessary.
Nicholas gave me his word. When we're to join us, these people wouldn't stop until they'd hunted him down. Owen would never take that chance. He knew he couldn't protect Bailey if he were with us. He worked on him late at night on my lathe. I knew what he was doing. That's the way we knew each other.
Hannah, please, you cannot make a deal with the devil and expect to get away with it.
Except I just did.
Miss Michaels. Bailey.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You're okay.
He called. He didn't say where he was calling from. He said he had 22 seconds. Sorrier than he could. It would be a really long time before he could call, and he can't really come home.
Bailey, we should talk about next steps. Go to a new home.
해나와 베일리는 우원의 선택 그리고 니컬러스와의 약속을 믿고 브래드퍼드의 증인보호 프로그램을 거절, 샌프란시스코행을 결심하게 되죠.
Hey, did you get lost? Okay, it's on the second floor. Are you with the famous chef? Okay, see you in a minute.
There could have been boys still love you.
Mom?
엄마라는 두 글자 단어로 수백만 독자들에게 엄청난 카타르시스를 선사한 작품. 그가 나에게 말하지 않은 것이었습니다.